Hi guys, I'm Silas. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to say family tree in Chinese, how to say father, mother, brother, sister in Chinese so that you can introduce your family, and I will teach you a Chinese song of family tree. Those are with two Chinese characters, and repeat the first character with a neutral tone, 爸爸, father, or 父亲，爸，波，啊，爸，爸爸，妈妈 mother or 母亲，妈，摸，啊，妈，妈妈。We barely use 父亲 and 母亲 in spoken language. 父亲 and 母亲 are official way to say father and mother. You see them quite often in the document, like your birth certificate document. 哥哥 elder brother. 哥哥哥哥哥弟弟 younger brother. 弟的义弟弟弟姐姐 elder sister. 姐鸡也姐姐姐妹妹 younger sister. 妹摸 妹妹妹爷爷 grandfather, father's father. 爷一爷爷爷奶奶 grandmother, father's mother. 奶呢矮奶奶奶叔叔 uncle, father's younger brother. 叔师屋叔叔叔伯伯 uncle, father's elder brother. 伯波伯伯伯姑姑 and father's sister. 姑哥姑姑姑姑舅舅 mother's brother. 舅鸡舅舅舅舅阿姨 mother's sister. 啊 this is a final sound. 姨姨姨阿姨外婆 grandmother, mother's mother. 外屋爱外婆婆婆外婆外公 grandfather, mother's father. 哥公外公 and there is a new phrase 什么 means what. 什么 this is a neutral tone. 么什么 means what. So 叫什么 literally means call what. Did you remember I taught you this in the previous video, right? Okay, there is a song for you to memorize family tree. You should learn this song. 爸爸的爸爸叫什么？爸爸的爸爸叫爷爷。爸爸的妈妈叫什么？爸爸的妈妈叫奶奶。爸爸的哥哥叫什么？爸爸的哥哥叫伯伯。爸爸的弟弟叫什么？爸爸的弟弟叫叔叔。爸爸的姐妹叫什么？爸爸的姐妹叫姑姑。妈妈的爸爸叫什么？妈妈的爸爸叫外公。妈妈的妈妈叫什么？妈妈的妈妈叫外婆。妈妈的兄弟叫什么？妈妈的兄弟叫舅舅。妈妈的姐妹叫什么？妈妈的姐妹叫阿姨。I will post this song in my website, chinahelpforyou.com. Click link below so you can practice this song with Chinese characters and pinyin. See you guys!